All right. Okay. So we have this here. Now this is what we'll do. We want to ask ChatGPT to give us 10 different prompts from give us 10 different prompts to generate images like a Nigerian photographer, Nigerian professional generate outfits, let's say different outfit like photographer. All right, so let's give it give us 10 different prompts to generate different outfits like a Nigerian professional photographer. So we have the Yoruba traditional look here. We have Igbo senator look, modern Nigerian groom, So we can see ultra. You can tell it to give you as much as you can. You understand? So and okay, pro tip: always add include these words for better realism. Okay, so um viral photo shoot prompt. The one trending on Instagram in Nigeria. Give us a viral AI. So this is prompting. Prompting is the key when it comes to generation image. All right. So while that one is done, let's try to test this particular one. Um, Copy. Okay. This is getting much more even than we expect. Look at what it's giving us, like prompt to create these images. We actually will test one of these stuff. This is luxury billionaire portraits, and um, this one is Dubai lifestyle, samurai look, Nigerian groom. Can you see all this futuristic leader? All right, so let's get straight into this. We have this ultra realistic portrait of a young. Okay, the image stand. Okay, so we have this one. Don't forget to always add. I always have to add my preserve the exact face. Blah blah blah. Okay, so we upload your personal image. All right. Now, when you're uploading your image, make sure your image have a clear face. All right. So make sure it has a clear face. Do not change. Do not alter the facial look and make it very realistic. Good. So let's check what it will give us. I believe this will give us something very nice. Okay. Okay, this should give us something very, very, very nice. Yeah. Okay. Um, we have we're waiting for it to get to load out. So once this work out well, if the prompt is well okay, we'll now test it on Gemini and see if it's going to give us a similar result. All right, so Gemini is actually also good. This one should be fast. Okay, I'm waiting. Awesome. Come on. This is nice. Can you see? It's giving us a very good look. Like the image, the face, you can see the face is exactly the same. Exactly the same. You can see exactly the same. Do not alter the facial look, make it very realistic. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. So this is very nice. So what we have to do is we download it. All right. We save it. We save it, and we actually get to use something from here, from telling ChatGPT to give us prompt. So you can tell ChatGPT to give you prompt of a man walking in office, give you prompt of a man doing particular thing, probably baking. Sure, you understand. So you just have to tweak it accordingly. You see, on this cap, if I want to add on this cap here, if I want to add AI mastery, AIM, or on this cap, if I want to add AIM, I can add it. It is on the prompt. Let me find it for you. A matching filler cap sit neatly on his head. All right. Before the full stop, I will just put a matching filler cap sit neatly on his head with a word written around the filler cap. You now put apostrophe AIM. Let's test it and see how it will be. Edit message. Let's test it. A matching filler is according to his head with a word written in capital letter. Let's put apostrophe AIM. AIM. With a word written around the image in capital letter AIM. Yes, I would not really teach you more deeper for prompting. Prompting is very deep, very deep. And if you can understand prompting, there is nothing you cannot create. There is nothing you cannot create. I have some keywords in prompting that once you give it to ChatGPT, it would even help you to cheat. Just joking, no. But there is nothing you can create with prompting. All right, so we where is the layer called man stand upright, okay, with a word readable written around. I'm teaching you too much, guys. All right, so readable. Okay, let's see what it will give us. I'm very sure that it will give us something very similar and something that we can make use of. All right. The meaning of AIM is AI mastery. It should be AMM. It should be AMM, AI Mastery Academy. But let's see. Oh, you don't do a bagadash. Can you see? It's not really perfect. Okay. Okay. AIM, right? Written. Okay. It's me that caused this. Around the image. Can you see what this thing is giving us? It's me that caused this. Around the image. Where did this thing say? We'll get it. Get it? With a word written around the filler cap alone. A word with a word embroidered with a embroidered word, written readable, written around the filler cap alone in capital letter. Let's see what this one will give us. Yeah, I can generate as much as I can, so that's why I can still make all these edits. You understand? So you that if you are not using the pro version, you can actually get it, and you can use it for many other things, and prompt and all. And even if you have the time, generate prompts, write down prompts to people, and you begin to sell it. This is another piece of information for you. Come on, give it to me. I am the prompt master. I am the prompt master. Look at this. Look at this. I am the prompt master. I won't teach you more than this in prompts. Man, this is great. So we have AIM. So imagine you want to do something, you want to build something, you want to build a character, even your picture with your business brand on it. With your business brand, maybe on the pocket, it is through prompting. So prompting goes a long way in making sure things are arranged the way you want it to be arranged. All right, so we have that one, and we just press save. All right, so image is saved, nothing else. So that's prompting for you. So you can try to select different ones here, and get to use them. And don't forget, make sure you add the gem, which is preserve the exact same facial structure, something like that. So it makes it look very, very nice, very, very good. Okay, good. I think that one is done for image generation. Let's go to something else.